Warm welcome you all to channel Meet MIT, that is Math is Tricky.
Already I have solved some problems. Hope you watched that video. If you have not, then please go to my videos and watch it. Now in this video I'll be solving many more problems about plane. Okay, so let's start. The first problem is here, question number 7. Already I have solved 6 questions and it is all from your textbook. So now let's see the question number 7a. And the question is here. Find the equation of plane passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and normal to the planes x minus y minus z equals 5 and 2x minus 5y equals 2x minus 5y minus 3 equals z. So okay, so how we are going to solve this? So we know that equation of any plane passing through point x1, y1, z1 is here a times x minus x1, b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 equals 0. This is the equation of plane passing through the point x1, y1 and z1. Now as this plane is perpendicular to another planes, say it is here a1 x plus b1 y plus c1 z equals okay d1. Suppose if this plane the required plane 1 is perpendicular to this plane, so what we can write here, a1 plus b1 plus c1 equals 0 by condition of perpendicularity. If two planes are perpendicular, so we can write here a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0. This is the condition I'm using. Suppose again if it is the plane 1 is perpendicular to another plane a2 x plus b2 y plus c2 z equals d2, then again by condition of perpendicularity we can write here a2 plus b2 plus c2 equals 0, and by solving 2 and 3 we'll get the value of a, b and c, and then by substituting these values in equation 1 we'll get the required equation. Okay, this is the method to solve this problem. This is how I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, so hope you understood this. Now let me solve the problem and show you. Okay, so let's start the problem. So here we are given the passing point is 1, 2, 3. So the equation of plane through point 1, 2, 3 is a times x minus 1 plus b times y minus 2 plus c times z minus 3 equals 0. This is equation 1. This is the equation we have to find. For that we need the value of a, b and c. For that we are given 2 more conditions. So here since it is perpendicular to planes x minus y minus z equals 5 and 2x minus 5y minus 3z equals 7, we can write here a into 1 is here, a minus b into minus 1 here, b into minus 1, so it will be here minus b, and then c into here, c into minus z, so it is here minus c equals 0. Let it be equation 2, and from this we'll get here 2a minus 5b and then minus 3c equals 0. Let it be equation 3. Now solving equations 2 and 3, we'll get here by cross multiplication we'll get a by, look here, so this into this minus plus, it will be here 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 is minus 2, b by cross multiplication, so it is here minus 2 and plus 3, minus 2 plus 3 is 1, c by minus 5 plus 2 is here, minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3. Let it be equation here as k, say this is k, then we can write here, therefore we can write here by cutting minus here also, or let's write like this, a by 2 equals b by minus 1 dividing all by minus 1 multiplying by minus 1, c by 3 equals k, therefore we can write here a equals 2k, b equals minus k, c equals 3k. Now let's substitute these values in equation 1 and then we will get the required equation. So that we'll be getting here as now, so let me rub this and write. Hope you are understanding this. So now from equation 1 we get here, so put here a equals 2 k times x minus 1 plus, sorry here minus k, so let here write minus k y minus 2 and plus 3k z minus 3 equals 0. By simplification we will get here k common, so we can cut here, so 2x minus y and here plus 3z and here minus 2 plus 2 and minus 9 equals 0, so this cancel, therefore 2x plus 3z minus y equals 9 is the required equation of plane. So 2x, or you can arrange this 2x minus y plus 3z equals 9 is the required equation of the plane. Hope you understood this. So what I did here, I just wrote the equation of plane passing through the point x1, y1, z1, that is a times x minus x1, b times y minus y1 and c times z minus z1. After that I have used the condition of perpendicularity. So the condition at which two planes will be perpendicular, and then I solved the two conditions obtained from by using the condition for perpendicularity, and then from that I got the value of a, b, c. Then I substituted in first equation to get the answer. Hope you understood this. Thank you so much. Question number 80. Find the equation of plane through the point P, A, B, C and perpendicular to OP, where O is the origin. So it means here we have to find the equation of plane which is perpendicular to OP, and the coordinate of P is given. The plane is also passing through the point P, whose coordinate is A, B, C. Okay, where O is the origin. So it means here how we are going to solve this. Suppose the plane is, this is the equation, the plane. Suppose the white body is plane. So we know that if its equation is here, AX plus BY plus CZ equals D, then we know that this ABC are DCs of perpendicular to plane. DCs ABC denote or will represent the DCs of the normal or the perpendicular to the plane. So that means this first marker. Now we are going to find the equation of plane which is passing through point P, whose coordinate is A, B, C. Suppose there is another line, this OP is the second marker. So in that case what will happen? This first marker and the second OP will be parallel. Okay, so that means here normal to this plane, whose DCs are A, B, C, will be parallel to this line OP. It means here, if the normal and OP are parallel, their DCs will be, or DR will be proportional, and from that we'll get the value of ABC, and then we can find the equation. This is how we are going to solve. So hope you understood this. So what actually we are going to do, we'll find the equation. Let me write here and solve it. Okay, so the equation of plane passing through point P, A comma B comma C is A times x minus A plus B times y minus B plus C times z minus C equals 0, isn't it? And we know that A, B, C are where A, B, C are DCs of normal to the plane 1. A, B, C are the DCs of the normal to the plane, and since, also right here, also DCs of OP are proportional to, here we can find this means x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, that gives here a minus 0, which is a minus 0, b minus 0, c minus 0 gives here a, b, c. It means here, and since plane 1 is normal to or perpendicular to OP, you can see here, since the plane 1 is perpendicular or normal to OP, we must have this 2. This one and this ABC must be proportional. That means A by A equals B by B equals C by C equals here, say this as, so it is here big C, you can see big, and equals K. Then we can write here, say A equals AK, B equals BK, and C equals CK. Okay, then what we'll get here by substituting now, let's substitute the value from equation 1. From equation 1 we get here AK x minus A plus BK y minus B plus CK, and here you can write this big one, z minus C equals 0, which gives here as AX plus BY plus CZ minus A square minus B square minus C square equals 0. Therefore AX plus BY plus CZ equals A square plus B square plus C square, because A square plus B square plus C square is the required equation, is the required equation of plane. This is the required equation of the plane. Hope you understood this. So what actually I did here, as the plane is perpendicular to OP, so the OP and normal to plane will be parallel. So they are parallel means their DCs or DR must be proportional, and from that we have got the answer. Thank you so much. The equation of plane through the point 2 minus 3 comma 1 B A times x minus 2 plus B times y plus 3 plus C times z minus 1 equals 0. Let it be equation 1. So we know that again here, then we know that then A, B, C are DCs of normal to plane 1. Okay, so these A comma B comma C will represent the DCs. So now also let's find the DCs or the DR we can find here, no matter. So DR of line joining given 2 points. Let's see here, this is x1, this is x2, y2, z2, and this is x1, y1, z1. So it gives here x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So which gives here, if we subtract here x2 minus x2, minus 3 is minus 1, and here minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5, and 5 plus 1, 6. Now we know that this plane 1 is since plane 1 is perpendicular to the line joining 2 points. It means here the plane, that is normal to plane, and the line will be parallel. So we can write here the plane. So we can write here A by minus 1 equals B by minus. They will be parallel means DR or DCs will be proportional. So here C by 6 equals C K. Then we can write here A equals minus K, B equals minus 5K, C equals 6K. Now by substituting the value of A, B, C in equation 1, we will get the required equation. So you may be confused, or you may have question, how can we combine direction ratio, and direction cosines in case of perpendicular, as right hand side will be 0, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0. So we can use dr and dr direction ratio and direction cosine also we can combine to get the perpendicular condition, or the perpendicular, or you can say parallel condition. In case of that also we can use. So from equation 1 we'll get here, it is how much? Minus k times x minus 2 minus 5k times y plus 3, and then here plus 6k times z minus 1 equals 0, which gives here, or take here minus common and cancel, so it will be here k also cancel, so it will be here x minus 2 plus 5y plus 15, and then here minus 6z plus 6 equals 0. That is here, or we can write here x plus 5y minus 6z, and this is equals how much? 20, 15, and plus 4, 19 equals 0, plus 0 plus 19 equals 0 is the required. Therefore we can write here x plus 5y minus 6z plus 19 equals 0 is the required equation. Okay, so if you can understand in this way, if a plane is perpendicular or normal to a line, in that case the line and normal to the plane will be parallel. So in that case we can have the parallel condition, that means direction ratio will be proportional or direction cosine will be proportional. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 will be equal to some constant. Thank you so much. Okay, let's see question number 9a. Find the equation of plane through the point 2, 2, 1 and 9, 3, 6 and normal to the plane 2x plus 6y plus 6z equals 3. So okay, so no worry. So the plane is passing through 2 points. So 2 points will satisfy the plane, and also the plane is perpendicular to another plane. So we'll use the condition of perpendicularity. From that we'll get the value of a, b, c, and by substituting we'll get the answer. This is how we are going to solve. Let me solve question number 9a. The equation of plane through 2, 1 is a times x minus 2, b times y minus 2, c times z minus 1 equals 0. Let it be equation 1. Okay, as it passes through 9, 3, 6, we'll get here as a times 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 3 minus 2 is 1 and 6 minus 1 is 5. C equals 0. Let it be equation 2. As again plane 1 is perpendicular to another plane, that is 2x plus 6y plus 6z equals 9. So we can write here 2a, a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 equals 0. By using that, 2a plus 6b plus 6c equals 0. Third equation, solving equations 2 and 3 by cross multiplication. We know we have already used this method. So a by, how much will be there? A by 6 minus 30 minus 24, b by, we'll get here b and b cancel, so it will in this case here 10 minus 42 minus 32, c by it will be here c by 42 minus 2 is 40. Let's cut by minus 6, it is here, so 4, it will be how much? 4 minus 6, so by minus 4, so it will be here by minus 4 means 6, 8 and 10. Again we can cut by 3, so by cutting by 8, let's cut this by 8 direct. So it minus 8 means here 3, 4 and here 5. That means say here k, c, then we'll get here a equals 3k, b equals, to be minus here 4k and c equals minus 5k. Now from equation 1 we get the required answer. Just put the value of a, b, c in equation 1, then we'll have the answer. Okay, so this is how we'll get the answer from equation 1. Let's put here, so it is here k and k we can remove, so 3k x minus 2 plus 4k y minus 2 minus 5k, here z minus 1 equals 0. It gives here, or 3x plus 4y minus 5z, and then here minus 6 minus 8 and plus 5 equals 0. That is therefore 3x plus 4y minus 5z equals how much here? This is 20, minus 19. So minus 9 equals here 9 is the required equation. Okay, hope you understood this. If you have any confusion, please share with me, and please like and subscribe my channel. Please share among your friends. Thank you so much. Okay. Through intersection of planes x plus y plus z equals 6 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equals 0 and is perpendicular to 4x plus 5y minus 3z equals 8. So it means here, so in this case I'm going to use this concept. If p equals 0 is one plane, this is q equals 0 is another plane, so the plane in passing through intersection of these two planes can be written as here p plus lambda times q equals 0. This is the plane passing through intersection of these two planes was p equals 0 and q equals 0. Now from that we have to find the value of lambda, and now to find lambda we'll use the condition which is given here. So this plane is perpendicular to another plane, so that means we can use the condition of perpendicularity a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equals 0, and from that we'll get the answer. Okay, let's see the solution. The equation of plane through intersection of planes x plus y plus z equals 6 and 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 equals 0 is simply it is 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5 times plus 5 plus lambda times x plus y plus z equals here z, so it will be here minus 6 equals 0, or we can simplify here, so we can write here 2 plus lambda times x plus 3 plus lambda times y, 4 plus lambda times z, and then 5 minus 6 lambda equals 0. This is a required, and let it be equation 1. Since it is perpendicular to the plane 4x plus 5y minus 3z minus 8 equals 0, or we can write here 4 into 2 plus lambda plus 5 into 3 plus lambda, condition of perpendicularity, plus or you can write here simply minus 3 times 4 plus lambda equals 0, and from this we have to find the value of lambda to get the final answer. So it will be here 4 lambda and plus 5 lambda, 9 lambda minus 3 lambda is 6 lambda plus 8 plus 15 minus 12 equals 0, or we can write here 6 lambda, and this is how much? 3. 15 minus 12 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, plus 11 equals 0. Therefore lambda is how much? Minus 11 by 6. Now let's put the value of lambda as minus 11 by 6 to get the final answer in equation 1. Let's put the value of lambda to get the answer. So minus 11 by 6. Okay, thus it will be easy for here if you put here, so these two are same, isn't it? Thus from equation 1 we get minus 11 by 6 put here, so 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 5, and then minus 11 by 6 x plus y plus z minus 6 equals 0. It gives here, if you multiply, then 6 to the 12, 12 minus 11 is x, and then here 18, 18 minus 11 is 7, and 4, 24, and it is here 5, 24 plus here 24, and then 24 minus 11, so it will be how much? So it is going to be here 4z 24 minus 11, 24 minus 24 minus 11 will be here 13, 13z, isn't it? 13z plus 30, and then minus minus plus, yeah, minus minus plus 66 equals 0. Therefore x plus 7y plus 13z, and it is here plus 96 equals 0. This is the required equation. Okay, x plus 7y plus 13z plus 96 equals 0 is the required equation. Thank you. So, okay, let's see question number 11a. Find the length of perpendicular from the point 2 comma 7, 2 comma 5 comma 7 to the plane 6x plus 6y plus 3z equals 11. Okay, so for this let me add the formula. The length of perpendicular from point P, x1, y1, z1 to the plane, ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0 is length of perpendicular is positive, so it will be here. Just simply replace x by x1, ax1 plus replace y by y1, b y1, replace z by z1, c z1 plus d as it is by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. This is our formula to find the length of perpendicular from point x1, y1, z1 to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0. This is the formula. Now by using formula we'll get the answer. Now let me solve this. You can solve by yourself also, you can try by yourself. Oh, okay, pause the video and try. So here x1 is 2, y1 is 5, z1 is 7. The plane is here. Plane is 6x plus 6y plus 3z minus 11 equals 0. Make right hand side 0. Therefore length of perpendicular equals length of perpendicular equals simply here. So 6 into 2 plus 6 into 5 plus 3 into 7 minus 11 by square root of 6 square plus 6 square plus 3 square modular sign to get the positive value. So what you'll get here 12, 12 minus 1, 1. So it is here 30, 30 plus 21 and plus 1, 2, 30, 50, 52, 52 by, say simplify, simple, it is here 36, 36, 72, 72, and here it is, this is 3 square, 9, so it is here 81, square root of 81, which is 9, so it gives here 52 by 9, and it will be how much? 52 by 9 means we can cut by 3, 3 3s are 9, and so we can cut, so it is here 52 by 9. 52 by 9 is here. 9 5 45 plus 45 plus 7 by 9 units. This is our answer. Hope you understood this. And if you have any confusion, any suggestion, please write it in comment box. And please like and subscribe my channel, share among your friends. Thank you so much. Question number 12.1. Here, find the distance between two parallel planes given here. So let me solve this first. So to solve this, we need to use this formula. If first one plane is the distance between, let me write the distance between two parallel planes ax plus by plus cz equals d1 ax plus by plus cz equals d2 is simply here d1 minus d2 by a square plus b square plus c square. This is the formula. Okay, so by using this formula we'll get the answer. So let's use the formula and get the answer. Right here, so we can change here. First one plane is x minus y plus 2z minus 4 equals 0, and then second plane is 2x minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 equals 0. So let's make them let's reduce them or make them such that their coefficient of coefficient of x and y is same. So from equation first we can get here multiply by 2x minus 2y plus 4z minus 8 equals 0, and same as it is copy 2, so minus 2y plus 4z plus 5 equals 0. Therefore required distance will be simply here, distance will be modulus sign minus 8 minus 5 by 2 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square, which gives simply as 13 by, how much is this, 13 by 4, 8 and this 16, 8 plus 16, 24 square root, so it will give how much, so it is here 4 into 6, so it is here 13 by 2 root 6 units. This is our answer. 13 is here. A variable plane is at a constant distance of 3p from origin, and it meets the axes in the points A, B, C. Prove that the locus of the centroid of this triangle ABC is 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square equals p square. See, as the plane meets x-axis, y-axis and z-axis at ABC, so from that we can get x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept. So we'll consider the equation of plane in intercept form. So let the equation of plane be x by a plus y by b plus z by c equals 1. Let equation 1. Then x intercept a equals a, y intercept equals b, and z intercept equals c. Therefore we can write here this plane cuts x-axis, y-axis and z-axis at a, b, c. So we can write here a comma 0 and 0, b equals 0, b, and 0, C equals 0, 0, C. Okay, the coordinates of A, B, C are this. Let alpha, beta, gamma be the centroid of triangle ABC. Then what we can write here? So alpha, beta, gamma equals x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3, which gives here alpha, beta, gamma equals x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. So it will be here x1, x2, x3, a by 3, b by 3, and c by 3, which gives here alpha equals here, we can write here a equals 3 alpha, b equals 3 beta, and c equals 3 gamma. Now we have the value of a, b and c from equation 1 we'll get here x by 3 alpha plus y by 3 beta plus z by 3 gamma equals 1. Also 3p is the constant distance from origin. Okay, so let's find the constant distance, that is the perpendicular distance. Also length of perpendicular or distance of plane due to plane 2 from origin will be how much? Is here 3p, it is given here 3p equals how much? It is here simply 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 1 by square root of 1 by 9 alpha square, 1 by 9 beta square plus 1 by 9 gamma square modulus. Okay, so now let's simplify and then we'll get the answer finished. So by simplification what we'll get here, so or we can write here 3p equals, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, squaring both sides, we get here 9p square equals how much? 1 by 9 alpha square plus 1 by 9 beta square plus 1 by 9 gamma square. Doing reciprocal we'll get here 1 by 9p square equals 1 by 9 alpha square plus 1 by 9 beta square plus 1 by 9 gamma square. Now this is by doing reciprocal on both sides. By doing reciprocal on both sides, now we can cancel here 9 from each, so we get here 1 by p square equals 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square plus 1 by gamma square. Hence the required locus of centroid, that is alpha, beta, gamma. So to find the locus of alpha, beta, gamma, replace by x, y, z for alpha, beta and gamma is here 1 by x square plus 1 by y square plus 1 by z square equals to 1 by p square. This is the condition, or this is the locus of the centroid alpha, beta, gamma. So what actually I did here, let me explain once again. So as the plane cuts x-axis, y-axis and z-axis at A, B, C, so it means here A, B, C are on x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. It means here A, B, C represents x-intercept, y-intercepts and z-intercepts, okay, for the plane. So the intercepts are given, so actually I suppose the equation of plane in intercept form, x by a plus y by b plus c, z by c equals 1, and from that I got the points, that means the coordinates of a, b, c. After getting the coordinates of a, b, c, I calculated the centroid, because we have to find the locus of centroid. So formula for centroid is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, and z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. From that we got the value of a, x-intercept, y-intercept and z-intercept. So that was substituted in equation 1, which was the equation of plane. And after getting the equation of plane in terms of alpha, beta, gamma, that is in terms of centroid, what I actually did here, one more condition was given there, that the plane was moving at a constant distance of 3p from origin. That means that is the length of perpendicular from origin to the plane. Okay, so we got the length of perpendicular by the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c z1 plus z by or d by a square plus b square plus c square, and from that by simplification, first time squaring and then second time doing reciprocal, we got the answer. Hope you understood this, and if you have any confusion, any suggestion, any tips, please you share with me, write in comment box, and please watch my videos. I've uploaded many more videos for you, and please share among your friends, like and subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified as soon as I'll upload the video for you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like this video. Please do share this video with your friends, in your circle, in your social media, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you.